here we are in the layouts area, which you can access by styles. And as you know now, look at the top bar and click layouts. Well, you can see here are all of the layouts. These are your custom layouts that we're going to be custom designing throughout day 3. Okay, so let's see where they live. Here in the editor, you can see my layouts are here. Okay, so this is in the same order of which they appear in the layouts area. So we'll go back to the layouts area. So why have they got all of the images from the old images from when we signed up, the old colors from when we signed up, right? So you can see all of my images here. These are all the nice, beautiful ones that we've uploaded. Well, I now need to go and use the bots to update all of those layouts. What it's going to do is take the screenshots that we put in that drawer. So I'm going to go up here, take screenshots and click save. Okay, but you'll notice it still hasn't updated, but that's because we need to refresh the browser. So we're just going to click refresh at the top and bang. Within that instant, all of your layouts have now been updated. It's got all of my fonts, all of my images, all of my colors, and we're looking good. So let's go and have a look at this in the layouts drawer. And here you can see all of those layouts are now fully styled with my brand, with all the hard work that we've done today, ready for yourself or myself or my team to drag and drop. So here we go, look at this one. I'm going to drop this one onto the page and bang, looking absolutely brilliant.